of the men here in the 100 meters. And that will be the one to watch out for. We've got the first of them are Manav, 10.55 in the first round and 10.41 improved in the semi-finals. He's essentially a 110 hurdler. The second is Vibaskar Kumar of Bihar, 10.36 and 10.38. Animesh Kujur, 10.40, and how he improved it in the semi-finals to 10.15. Gurinder Veer Singh, 10.42, was the first to break the national record yesterday at 10.17. The outside dark horse, he's always been in the wings for Reliance. The second of the Reliance boys out here, Pranav Pramod Gurav, 10.30. The Tamil Nadu in the semi-finals, and Nusrat, 10.41 of Haryana. What an event this is. What an event this will be after the women. What an event. The national record now, Animesh Kujur. It used to be 10.18 at Wari, Greece in 2025. Manikanta Hobledar, the meet record. Poor guy injured, 10.25 at the Kochi meet with 10.25 2025. And the qualifying mark here for the men is 10.16, which has been achieved by Animesh Kujur. We all know that the men's 100 meters at the 29th edition has already produced one of the most consequential days in the history of Indian sprinting. A national record broken twice within 10 minutes during the semi-finals. First by Gurinder Veer Singh, he's now drawn in lane number 4. And then by Animesh Kujur, 10.15. He's going to be breathing down his neck in lane number 3. And both the performances in the semi-finals were achieved with into the legal headwinds, making the underlying performances level even more significant. We'll look at the lane draw for you. That's going to be the duel between these two athletes. But remember, don't lose out anyone from the 8. Animesh is drawn in lane 3 with Gurinder Veer Singh directly outside in lane number 4. And remember the important part, there is no stagger in the 100 meters. The two will be breathing down the neck. The two will be breathing down the neck in lane number 3 and lane number 4. And the others would do likewise. Well, that's the first of them there. Vibaskar Kumar, the dark horse from Bihar. 10.36 in the first round. 10.38. Lane 1 is Manav R. That's not his event, but he's battling it out there. 10.55 and improved to 10.41. We're under a minute away for the fastest man to be decided. In lane number 3 is, that's Armano for you, represents the railway sports. 2 is Vibaskar Kumar. 3 there to the left, that's the boy there, 168. Animesh Kujur is the junior bolt. And next to him, the 2 record breakers, Gurinder Veer Singh. 2 big athletes. And then next to them should be one of the favorites, Pranav Pramod Gurav, 10.30 Reliance. In lane number 6 is Lalu Prasad Boy. Keep an eye on him. He's got 10.35 in the semi-finals, represents Odisha. And 7 is Sam Vasant. Well, the crowd says, make it. And surely we will make it out here. Both the top contenders that you talk of in 3 and 4, where I am emphasizing, they've matched the 2 athletes with Very different profiles. One a wonderful starter, one a wonderful closer. And that's going to make this race the high profile. And therefore, to me, it's going to be absolutely unpredictable. It's Ranchi, the Birsa Munda Stadium here, under lights. Manav in 1, Vivaskar in 2, Animesh in 3, Gurinder Veer in 4, Pranav in 5, Lalu in 6, Sam in 7, Nusrat in 8. Clean start there. Gurinder Veer Singh goes blazing. It is Gurinder Veer Singh. It is Gurinder Veer Singh. He blazes away. He blazes away. What a performance this is. What a performance. 10.07 is what the clock says. I can't believe this. Well. Let me get it right for you. If it's right, look at that start there. Look at that start from the 10.17. He says, I am not happy with 10.17. I am not happy with 10.15. Well, he takes the bib out. He pats his chest. 10 point. Oh, ho, ho. In 2 days, we got 3 records. In 2 days, we got 3 records. And what